Hello everyone! So, samahan nyo kami as we go all the way to BF Homes Parañaque kasi we're gonna have dinner at Tablo Restaurant in BF Homes. Anyway, I live in one of the villages along West Service Road here in Parañaque, kaya kung nakikita nyo tong daan na to, this is West Service Road going to Sucat. So, if you're not from here, I will show you Presidents Avenue and Aguirre Avenue hanggang sa makarating tayo sa Tablo Kitchen Restaurant. So, babaybayin natin yan together. So, yan, nandito na tayo sa Dr. A. Santos Avenue. Pero kami mga taga Parañaque, we just call this Sucat Road. Yan, on the right side of the road, that is Santana Grove. Ayan, that's the newly renovated Shopwise. Yan, madalas ako mag-grocery dyan. Sa left side naman, yan, yung blue building na nakikita nyo, that is SMBF Parañaque. Madalas din kami dyan, and what I like about that mall is hindi siya ganun kalaki. Yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung Medical Center Parañaque. All of my kids were born in that hospital. Yan, from Sucat Road, nag-left na tayo sa Presidents Avenue. Ayan, BF Homes na to. So yan, para sa mga viewers na hindi taga-South, welcome to BF Homes Parañaque. Itong BF Homes, it's such a big community. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. Even schools. Actually, 2 of my kids studied in one of the schools here, from elementary to high school. Okay naman, it's a safe community, kaya lang medyo matraffic lang talaga dito, especially during rush hours. Ayan, so tingnan natin anong meron dito. Ayan o, sa right, meron ng ramyun bar. Ayan, so that's the Ilos Restaurant, very very popular here in BF. Nako, laging puno dyan. So yan, may Aray Restaurant din, may Afino Coffee, tapos ano pa ba? Yan, sa left side, that is Tahanan Village. Yan, may Dylan's Restaurant na rin dito. Tapos, yan, so meron na rin House of Lasagna Cafe dito. And then, of course, merong McDonald's. Ayan, tapos meron ding Pure Gold Supermarket dito. Of course, may Watson's din. Nako, uulan na yata. Kanina pa makulimlim. Ayan, may Gilligan's din. Tapos, ano pa ba? Siyempre, maraming bangko dito. Oh, they have KFC here. Ayan, may nail spa din. Ayan yung Tropical Hot Supermarket. It's been there since I was a little girl. Talagang ang tagal na niyan. Tapos, dito sa may left side, yan yung original branch ng Contis. Yan. That's the very first branch. May Pancake House, may Starbucks. Tapos, meron din Jollibee. Yan, ito yung Robinson's Townsville. Maliit lang na mall yan. That used to be Pergola Mall. Okay, this is actually Aguirre Avenue, and since wala kaming sticker, kailangan namin mag-surrender ng ID sa gate. Ayan, so pipila muna kami. Actually, ang kailangan nila dito is any government ID. Hindi nila tinatanggap ang driver's license. Yan, nasa loob na tayo ng Aguirre Avenue. So, nasa avenue na to yung restaurant na pupuntahan namin, yung Tablo Restaurant. So, actually, nasa avenue na to yung mga restaurants na talagang pinupuntahan ng mga tao. In fact, I have friends from Pasig and QC na dumadayo pa dito para lang mag-eat out. Marami ring Korean restaurants dito. Actually, there's a big Korean community here. Sobrang buhay na buhay tong Aguirre Avenue sa gabi, lalo na pag weekends. Minsan dito na nga kami nag-date ni husband kung hindi namin feel pumunta ng Alabang or Makati. So at least mas malapit lang to. Anyway, kasama ko lahat ng mga anak ko ngayon and my husband. So ito, medyo gutom na kaming lahat. Ayan, may Pure Gold ulit dyan. Tapos dito, this, ayan, may Wagyu Niku. I wanna try that. Yan o. Hindi. Palabok and halo-halo. Papa Joe.
Ay, nasa...
Yan, Japanese restaurant. izakaya style. And then here they have bag of shrimps.
Destination is on your right.
So ayan na yung kakainan namin, which is Tableau Kitchen. Yan.
Park mo na.
So buti na lang meron namang parking ano. So now we're in Tableau Kitchen. Tableau, whatever. Dito na tayo. Let me just wanna be. Let's go inside now. Tara, let's go inside. So, hintayin muna daw kami.
Ako sa Tableau, I went to...
So, yeah. So, hintay lang kami ng seats. They will prepare it daw muna. So, we'll stay here outside first. So, ito yung menu niya. Pero ayoko magpasta. Ayoko ng anything very carby. Kuna kami. Okay, so this is our table. Excuse me. Okay. So, since hindi ako masyado nagka-carbs ngayon, I think I'm gonna get the barbecue chicken salad. This place naman is quite big. It can accommodate a lot of customers naman. That's just on one side. Meron pa dito sa right side. Dalawahin mo na yung boneless pan fried chicken.
Take out na lang.
Dalawahin mo na siya. Lemon water. Okay, this is frozen white chocolate
It has to be
biscuit.
super specific.
Yeah,
Like,
pero sa kanila yan. Hindi ako umiinom ng mga ganyan. Creme brulee drink. Whatever that is. Yan. First. Ayan, this is a salt and pepper calamari.
Thank you. Order na lang sa popcorn.
Ah, okay. That's a salad.
people make something like this.
And pork. Ay, grabe. Ang sarap ng salad. Ano to? Chicken, ano? Yeah.
Okay, Sam.
Thank you. So, this is chicken parma skillet. Sam, ano yan? Pan-fried chicken. So, we got 2 orders of pan-fried chicken. Yan. And then, nandun yung isa. And parma
Ito
skillet.
in-order mo nun? Ha?
Tatry ko.
Parang appetizer lang.
Sarap. Grabe. Then, ito yung tofu with lechon kawale. Alam mo, I noticed walang nagpasta ngayon yata.
Sabi mo eh.
Ha?
Sabi mo, wag mo
Huwag na. Kaka-bloat yun. Ito na lang. Pero nag-rice naman kayo. I'm gonna try the pan-fried chicken. Try ko to. Di ba, sabi lechon kawali daw to?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Try ko.
Hindi masyado mo ito. Wala sila ng dalawa.
Yeah, kasi it doesn't have smell, but like some.
Okay. For me, pinakamasarap yung salad talaga. Dapat di tayo nag-ano, 2 orders of this one, this chicken with rice.
Hindi, laban ng pork.
And then, comments ni husband about this one. Hindi siya masyadong nasarapan with this, sentigas daw ng pork. There. Pero yung farm skillet, yan, favorite ng anak ko yan. Gusto niya yan. So, Napa-clear na namin yung table. It's time for coffee and dessert. Ayan. So, ito na yung mga tira-tira namin. Dessert. So, this is burnt Basque cheesecake na mini lang. And then this one's a Belgian chocolate. So, ako, mahikikain lang ako sa mga dessert nila because I want coffee. Patry nga. Mukha siyang bibingka, no? It's actually cheesecake. Try ko lang. Sarap. Ikaw naman. Ako naman, try ko naman to. Konti lang. Sarap din. Hey, hubby. Nag-order lang kami ng decaf coffee. There. 2 minutes pa raw. Pinapa-brew pa. Hindi na yung aming French press. So, ready na ang aming coffee. So, there. Yan yung isa. Decaf naman to. So, nakakatulog ako. Creamer and sugar.
Mila, is the one nominated you. Hindi lang pala nag-enjoy. Sabi sa hindi.
Okay, let's go na.
Give me bills from the tendo.
Okay, uwi na kami.
Yeah, 20 pesos bill.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. So, we're going out now. So, alis na kami. Yan, tinan niyo yung parking lot. Very, very jam-packed.
Wait lang.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. And hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!